So this morning is grade release, so I get to find out how well I did in semester 1, which I'm super excited about. Fingers crossed I did okay.
University creates so many pathways and opens new doors, and I'm looking forward to seeing what it brings. Who knows what could happen in the next 3 years.
About to submit his assignment. Nothing beats this feeling.
One assignment. Wild Thursday night. 1:45 in the morning. Writing my assignment. I need more coffee.
Alrighty, I'm here with my banana bread and my 3rd coffee for the day, and I'm ready to chill out.
Dun, dun, dun. Study time.
Coffee in hand, very important. Oh, that's so good.